Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will be making sweet pork that is very popular in southern Thailand. The flavor is sweet and you can also taste how soft the meat is. Alright, first you slice up the pork around 1 inch for each one. Do not slice it too little or it will be too hard when you fry it. Add some oil in. And you fry the pork for about 20 minutes. This sweet pork can also be a dish or a snack. Now you take them out to stir fry them. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Add 1 cup of water. Stir fry until the water dries up. I have the ingredients down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.